Instagram is dead. That's a pretty brutal statement. And obviously it's a blanket statement that's not accurate because there's a lot of businesses making a lot of money off of it. But those businesses are the ones that have 100, 200, 300,000 followers and ad spend that they can run ads to their followers. But if you have under 100,000 followers and don't have a cult following yet, you likely won't be that successful on Instagram. Because the Instagram train was 5 years ago and you missed it. But you know what we have now? We have TikTok. Incredible resource for building businesses. Look at me, I'm in it like literally 2.5 weeks and over 3,000 followers. There's zero chance that would happen on Instagram. By the way, super grateful for you guys. So pumped that we can hang out and learn together and I can help you to build businesses. So you need to get on the train that hasn't started yet, that hasn't super like flown off the tracks yet. All right, new hat. But if you like this content, give me a follow. I'd love to have you along. I share a ton of stuff about small businesses, branding, and Kickstarter projects.